Hello everybody. We want to follow up on the last video that we made regarding the, I'm going to put this in realistic view, shaded view first, and we put these, we cut space, or we did the cut, where is that? You call it this right here, the split face. And we added in these faces and we created a different material. So now what I said I would do, I promised that I would go in and do an actual rendering. So basically, you can do two types of rendering. You can render here under the render tools, or you can render in the cloud. So I took the liberty of rendering in the cloud, gives a much better view. So what I did, I went into my site plan here, and I took a couple shots with the camera. The camera is here on the view, on the render, under the 3D view, and you select this camera. And I took a picture from here and one on the back, and this is what I got from them views. That's one view, and there's the other view. And as y'all said before, we couldn't get these to show in, let me make this fine and go on to our realistic. I'm going to show you realistically here. You can get it. You can see the wood, the pattern we put on here. And we can go and look at this in the front view here. Just so you can see that. It goes right here. Let me make this realistic. So it's pretty close, but that's basically how you get that, and I can zoom in close, and it does appear to have some sort of texture to it. But what we really would do here is I would go here into this view right here. Yeah, this one, and I'll put this back in shaded view or hidden line. And then what I do, I run a rendering of it in the cloud. And so you render in the cloud, you get this box, and it gives you these steps that you can take. And then you render it, and then you'll get an email notification, and then Autodesk will download you. You can make these settings and everything, and then Autodesk will download you the views. So I did these rendered views, and here's what they look like. This one here turned out pretty good. And then here's the other view. Let's see if I can bring it up here. So that's what you would get here. Turns out pretty good, and it's all free. I mean, it's all within Autodesk if you have a subscription. So, and then again, if I zoom in here, it's okay, a little sharper in detail. It could be a little sharper in detail, but that's how that works. So that's how I'm finishing off this. And again, please subscribe to the channel. I do basic Revit and like, share, and you can see whatever new videos or new models that I create. Also, you can have questions, feel free to ask, but this is the result of this. That's that view, and there's the other view. And this is a realistic view, but basically you can take this guy, I'm going to make this fine as well. See if that helped a little bit. Yeah, it did come in a little sharper. You can see the materials, you can get a little bit of texture there, so it works pretty good. So anyway, I just wanted to follow up. Again, please subscribe to the channel. Helps me make a lot of videos, and basically it's pretty simple. You can use the camera from the site plan view, or you can go into a 3D view, as here, and create a image or create a render model. So you basically come up with a library, and all of your renderings will be in this library. So this is my render library, and these are basically all the different models that I have used throughout in Revit. You probably recognize some of these, but yeah, it's a pretty good tool that Autodesk gives you if you're a subscriber. And then again, like I said, we used the split face here, and we created this finish, and I went on ahead and I finished this off, as you can see. And then I do this realistically. And there you go. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Any questions or anything, please feel free. We're going to go ahead and probably do the MEP on this, or if you have any questions, or otherwise we just move on. So hey, thanks for watching. And again, like I said, this is very simple how you do this. There's our elevations, the north and our east, which is probably nothing much on the east because there's also actually a building connected to it. So thanks for watching and subscribing to the channel. And like I said, I can use as many subscribers I can get. And if you have any questions, we have a full arrangement of videos here. We've got things from MEP, we have Navisworks, and then questions. I've tried to cover everything here. I know it's time to go back to school, and everybody's getting back into school, so we might get into something a little more technical. Or if you have any questions, please feel free. And thanks again, everybody, all of my existing subscribers and new subscribers. Please select that notification. And if you got any questions, please feel free, because sometimes I run out of topics, but I think we're going to go and do some mechanical work here. There's still some things that has to be done in this model. We've got our floor plans going here. There's our first floor plan there, and there's our second floor plan. So yeah, these are apartments on this end, and this is commercial space. So hey guys, like I said, this is basically our finished product, rendered. We got it close to the existing building as possible. And everybody be safe. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, everybody, welcome back to school, and thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye. Let's see here. I'm going to go out here and just go grab this, and bye.